What is up, y'all? It is Monday. I don't know the date. April 24th. Monday, April 24th. And I'm testing my maxes this week, starting today. Today and tomorrow. I'm doing squat and bench today and doing deadlift tomorrow. So it'll be the culmination of the last 14 weeks of training. I'll finally be able to see where I'm at. I'm feeling, at a scale of 1 to 10, I'm feeling like a 7 or an 8, but we're about to head over there probably in the next 15 or so minutes, head to the gym. I'll start out with squats. I wanna make sure I record my attempts, record what I get. I have some numbers in mind. I just want to do something over 275 for bench because last time I did a program I couldn't do over 275, and I'm positive I'll be able to. For squat, I'm thinking 365 is definitely in the cards, maybe more, but we'll see. So I'm about to head over there, head to the gym in a little bit. I'm gonna take some de novo Epoch Alpha. I definitely want that in my system. That's gonna be the plan. I'll take you guys in the gym, see my attempts, and hopefully set some good PRs today. All right, y'all, we're in the gym testing out these maxes. I'm just gonna talk to you guys while the clips roll. I had every warm-up set pretty much in here. I decided it's a bit too long, so you're gonna see just major plate jumps until I hit 315, and then you'll see my real attempts over that point. So today in the gym, I wasn't feeling great. Honestly, my hip, everything felt just a little bit off. Not terribly. What I did the week before I maxed out was I cut my workout volume in half. So on Thursday and Friday of last week, for my squat, bench, and deadlift, instead of doing 6 sets of singles, I did 3 sets of singles, worked up to something kind of challenging, and just rested. So I was able to take sort of those 2 days, since the volume was so low, were pretty much like rest days actively, and then I had the whole weekend so that when it was time to lift today, I was kind of set. So it was like a mini peak, and it did help because I did feel better this day, but still the hip was feeling bad. And just things were feeling off. I had to adjust my stance quite a bit, and I had to do a few warm-up sets. With the weight like 135, 185 before I moved on. So worked my way up. As things got heavier, they felt a little better actually, but that hip pain kind of stuck around, and I think it's just from lifting heavy for a while. My hip gets jammed up sort of in there, and I have to actually get it reset by my chiropractor. So yeah, it's just from the training and from lifting heavy, things were starting to feel a little off because it has been, like I said, 14 weeks of prepping for this moment here. But without giving anything away, it was really good. This is my first real attempt here. This is, I think weight that I hit in training. So I was really confident about it, but because of the way my hip was feeling, I decided to go ahead and try it. So what I'm really keeping in mind as I'm testing my maxes here is just all the cues I've been working on, right? Every time I step in the gym, I'm trying to stay tight. I'm trying to, do all these different things that I make videos about. And so that when it's time to max out, these things are already ingrained and I can keep doing them so that my form doesn't break down. So this is my second real attempt here. Go ahead and I did 365 and was really happy with this, how it moved. And it was so nice to have the dude on the right, Justin. He was helping me out, sort of figure out, also my friend Scott Schwartz over text, helping me figure out what to do next, because I just kind of wasn't sure. So they helped me pick sort of my attempts. This is my second one. Once again, very happy. I was gonna call it here, but Justin's like, yo man, you gotta do another one. So I'll let you guys hear that one. So there it is. Big PR on squat. I was shocked, honestly, shocked. If you remember, not that long ago, I couldn't squat at all. And to work my way back up and be so close to 405, which is sort of like my lifetime goal, is great. So that was really good. A little bit of hip discomfort, but nothing major. Then I moved on to bench press. I didn't have a lot of time. I actually had a client coming really soon, so I had to really speed this up. My first real attempt here is 280, and I knew I had this. I knew I had it. Like I said last time, I ran a free program, and my bench didn't go up at all, but I knew I had this one, and you'll see it go up. And then once again, a raw clip of my next attempt. Check it out. What's up, y'all? A bit of a weird angle, just putting my socks on. It's day 2 of maxing out. Today I got deadlifts. That's the main goal for today. I'm also gonna test out my overhead press. My overhead press I've been working on, but it's pretty much just been for fun, just to get it up. But I know I'm gonna hit a new personal best for that. Things have been going really well with overhead press. It's not gonna be anything crazy. I'm thinking maybe somewhere in the 150s, 160. So that'll be fun. But I'm starting off with deadlifts conventional. So my goal for today with conventionals isn't to actually hit an all-time PR. My best was in my first meet that I ever did, which I think was August 2015. I think I pulled somewhere in the 420s.
Easy. Down. Good left.
But the form was pretty bad. My back was rounding pretty bad. So my goal today is just to pull with good technique as heavy as I can. And I'd be really stoked with anything in the 400s, because in training I haven't gone really anywhere near. I've mostly been in the 330s, 40s, 50s. So we'll see. Yesterday went really well. Was really happy with my bench and my squats. So that was really good. I'm a little bit tired today. I was volunteering all this morning from about 6 to 1. My glutes are a little sore from squats yesterday, so we'll see how that goes. But today should be pretty simple. Shouldn't take very long, and then I have a client afterwards. So this will be the end of my testing. Going forward, I actually hired a coach. Well, not yet. Okay, sorry. I signed up for a meet in June. I think the second week in June. I did that last night. And I'm gonna sign up to train with the strength guys, or to be coached specifically by Jason from the strength guys, starting next week, I'm thinking. Maybe this week. We'll see. After maxing out this week, I don't plan to do too much more in the gym, but that's it. That's my update for now. I'm ready to go, repping the De Novo. I got a 3/4 scoop of Epoch here. I don't think I'll need much more than that. I'm feeling kind of tired, but I don't want to get too hype. I'm about to head there now and hopefully have another successful day of maxing out. So day 2, maxing out, hitting conventional deadlifts. If you watched the end of the 1,000-pound series, you know that I pulled sumo. So this whole block, I went ahead and I pulled conventional just to see if I could do it with proper technique. I struggled with it in the past, not having my background and not having my hips shoot up early, really bad. You can check back on my channel to see that. But I really focused on it this block, and I'm extremely happy with my positioning, especially with these max pulls. In my training, I really didn't go very high in the 300s, not even into the 400s. I'm not gonna give away what I got, but I'm just very happy with things. So you see I'm completely resetting on these warm-up sets. I'm focusing on first breathing out, getting my rib cage set down, then bracing hard into that belt, putting my hands out to sort of get that rounded upper back position slightly as I grab the bar. I've widened my stance out substantially in this block with conventionals, and it's helped me use my glutes a bit better and sort of diminish some of that range of motion, as I am a taller lifter and have pretty long femurs. Not anything ridiculous, but pretty long femurs. So it helps me get into a better position at the start. And as you see, I just pulled 405. Positioning looked pretty much the same as in the 300s. 435, you're gonna see, also looks pretty good. And now we have the max attempt. So I'll let that run nice and raw.
Let's start this glorious day off.
So you can see that went up pretty well too. A little bit of rounding, a little bit of shift in position, but overall really happy with that. Then I moved on to overhead press. Overhead press wasn't a main goal, but I kind of been messing around with it, and I knew I would hit a PR from what I've been doing this block as well. So I hit 165. Check out this grinder. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Once again, so happy about my performance overall. Surprised myself with the deadlifts, overhead press, even bench press, squat, just all went really well. And I am this much closer to my main goal. So I'm gonna be documenting this whole process leading up to my meet. I don't have any big goals for the meet. I'm not a power lifter. I just do this stuff because I enjoy strength, and I think it'll be fun to do a meet. So I'm not trying to win nothing or set anything major. I'm just trying to make progress and have some fun at a meet since I haven't done one in a few years. And I'm going to document my process that I go through with Jason and the coaching and my programming. I'm not sure what to expect, but I get everything on Monday, and that's when training will start. So be on the lookout for those videos coming up. Once again, documenting the process. I don't know if I want to call it a series or anything like that. Those are kind of getting played out. But I will document it, so look out for those videos and continue, of course, to put out some content about lifting stuff, everything that I'm learning and going through and helping me to progress and develop like always. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like for the progress, like for the PRs. Please comment below if you have any questions about anything that I've done in my programming or my lifting technique that's helped me thus far. And make sure to subscribe because there's a lot of good things coming. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.